Hello, I'm TJ Haven, and I will be conducting the first playtest of our physical prototype for Sales and Sorcerers. This is my playtester, Jonathan, and I'm now going to explain the rules and the objective to Jonathan and some of the core mechanics. So, this is your player token. Any other token you see on the board is an NPC. You can walk up to NPCs, and when you're standing in a space adjacent to them, like so, you will have the option to talk with them, and then once you talk with them, they'll be able to provide you a quest. Each NPC has 2 basic quests that you can do, and after you complete both of those, you get a 3rd special quest. It's different for each NPC. So, another thing is there is no dice rolling for movement, so you can move wherever you want in whatever fashion you want, just as long as you're moving to an open space. So for example, this between walls is not an open space, but going through this doorway is an open space. Going through this center pillar is not an open space. You would have to go around the center pillar. You have any questions so far?
Nope.
Okay. So, once you talk to your first NPC, I'll give you more instructions on the type of quests that you'll be completing. Okay? So go ahead whenever you're ready.
Let's talk to this guy.
Okay. Would you like to talk to this NPC? Okay. This NPC says, hey, I'm really slammed with work right now, and my coffee mug is all the way on the other side of the office. I walked all the way back over here without grabbing it, and I'm just too tired to walk back over there. Do you think you could go and grab that for me real quick? So now that NPC's dialogue is done, you would have the option to accept or decline that quest. So would you like to accept or decline?
Accept.
Accept? Okay. This is going to be the placeholder object. So we're going to place the object here. So the goal of this quest is a fetch and retrieve quest. So you're going to go and find the object within the map space, and you're going to, once you get to the object, you're going to interact with it to pick it up, and then you'll take it back to the NPC that originally gave you the quest.
Sure.
Okay, go ahead.
Can I just move past?
Yes. Alright, so would you like to interact with this object to pick it up?
Yes.
Okay, there you go. You're now holding the object. Alright, so once you reach back to the NPC, you'll have the option to talk to them again to turn in your quest. Would you like to turn in your quest now?
Yes.
Cool. So, NPC gets their coffee mug. They say, hey, thanks for doing that. I really appreciate it. And in doing so, because you completed a quest successfully, your morale meter will get a little bit added to it. And then as you go through the game, that'll get all the way up to the top, and then you win. The second type of quest that we have is a minigame quest. So this is not actually what one of the minigames would be, but it could be something as simple as like rock, paper, scissors. Okay, so you can choose to stay at the same NPC or go to a different NPC, and then we'll play through a minigame quest.
Okay. Let's go out.
Alright, would you like to talk to this NPC?
Yeah.
Alright, so this NPC says, hey, I'm stuck on this programming problem, and I really need someone to help me with it. Do you think you could take the time real quick and just kind of help me out and get some of these assignments done?
Yeah.
Okay, so you accept that quest. So in this case, the minigame could be something like a match 3, like Bejeweled or something similar. Or it could be like rock, paper, scissors, where it's very chance and luck based. So for this instance, we'll do rock, paper, scissors, okay? So, best 2 out of 3. You're just gonna go paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so 0 and 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1, 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So you won. So, after winning that mini game, you'll automatically be thrown back into dialogue with the NPC. They'll say, hey, thanks so much for your help on that. I really appreciate it. And then you get stuff added. Cool, to your morale meter. So we're gonna pretend now that all of the basic quests have been done. So the next NPC that you move to will do one of their special tasks. Okay? Cool. Which is unique to each NPC.
Can move?
Yeah, you can move. Okay, so you want to talk to this NPC?
Yeah.
So this NPC is representative of one of our languages of appreciation, quality time. So this NPC special quest, he's been going throughout the entire game just thinking about taking a break. Okay? So the special quest for this NPC is you just sit here for a few seconds and just take a break and look out the window. Okay. And then just like that, your quest is done. Because it was a special quest, instead of just one, you'll get 3 added.
Sweet.
So we'll now go ahead and pretend that you've done all of the quests and you're now at 100% and you've reached the end of the game. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, how do you feel so far about the mechanics of the game?
I
Do you
like
have
it.
any feedback?
It's very straightforward. It's easy. It's not like something really complicated like a bunch of other games.
Do the mechanics make sense?
Yeah.
Do you have any issues with any of the movement system? Do you have any suggestions?
No. It's pretty cool.
Do you have any feedback on the types of quests?
I like how you have the basic ones, the mini quest ones, and then like the special ones. I think those are really cool.
Okay. So you like the variation between just the 2 basic fetch and retrieve and then mini game quests, and then the special quests after you've done 2 basic quests for each person?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. How do you feel about the progression of the morale meter? Do you think it's at a good enough pace, or do you think it should be increased or decreased? For instance, in this case, each basic task got you 1 square,
Mhm.
and then each special one got you 3. Do you think anything on that should change?
Maybe switch the special one to 2 instead of 3, so to make it last longer. So then you can like go to different people's special quests.
Okay. Well, so that was another thing that I forgot to mention. Each special quest is only able to be completed once per playthrough. So you can
okay.
complete 1 special quest and it locks you out of the other 3.
Oh, okay. That's fun, cause then it like keeps you going through like another playthrough to get like a different special quest.
Yes.
That's cool.
Cool. Alright, well, do you have any additional feedback or comments?
Nope.
Okay. Thank you for playtesting.
You're welcome.